All right, so here we go with the take apart of the FT-102. My objective is to get this RF board out, and I'm finding the hardest thing about this board is getting these plugs loose. They don't seem to have any way to get them loose except tugging them out, and it wrecks them, so I'm like, sheesh. Anyway, so to get this thing out, I guess, isn't so bad. You want to get the front panel loose, and the front panel really only has these knobs connected to it. It doesn't seem like it has anything else, so it's got, you know, these shafts, but the rest of these knobs are all connected to it and they just swing free. So you don't want to really swing this thing out too far and break wires, because the wires are probably fragile. So I've swung it out a bit. I do want to get access to this board. So the way you get this access is you decouple these shafts, and there's little set screws here you take out. There's set screws here, and then you can just pull these right out. I've set the band switch here to straight up, and it couples through a coupler here. I guess you don't want to move that, and maybe I've marked the band switch with a little tick on the centerpiece there, which may or may not help. I should probably mark this thing with a tick straight up too over here to line everything up in case things get whacked out. That's a bad thing. You get the stuff out of phase and you're going to be in trouble. Anyway, so to get this board out, I'm thinking now I can get this connector out, take out that one. I've gotten that one out, although it wasn't easy, and take off this wire here. And anyway, the board I hope will come out, and then I can work on it. I plan to, I guess, take these screws out and see if I can get this plate off of here and then get that relay out of there. I may put some sockets in here too, depending on how it goes, but I don't want to work on the board and the radio. I just want to get the heck out of here. So that's what I'm doing. So yeah, how do we get these little shafts out? Well, they just go in through here, right? So those go right in there, and they just couple into here through set screws. You can pull these right out, and that's how this whole thing comes apart. So of course, no one on YouTube documents how to do this. It's all secret stuff, or unknown, or in crazy text format in groups. But here, you're getting the real deal with me, how to take this thing apart and fix the relays. Actually, I want to fire this thing up. I still don't know if this relay here is 24 volts or 12 volts. That's a problem, because I guess there's some kind of contention where they've modified this thing. Maybe they're all 12 volts, I don't know. I'll probably try and put sockets in for these, maybe, for that one. But I forgot to measure the voltage on that relay. I should probably try to measure the voltage on that before this radio comes all apart. Okay, thanks for watching. Have a great day. Again, this is taking apart the radio, and this panel comes off by taking off these screws here. Take off those, take off these screws here, take off screws on the side here, and there's one down here to take off, and the front panel will pull away. I've just moved this display out of the way. I haven't really tried to take it off yet because I don't want to deal with these plugs. Okay, thanks for watching. Have a great day.